Hey, Tim's Workshop here. Hey, today we're gonna do a video on how to repair a neighbor's fence. Okay, so I'll turn the camera around and explain to you on how to do this. So anyway, we had a big tree right here, about where the swing set is. And the tree fell down before I put this fence up over here. It missed the house, fortunately. Great big one of these big trees. I had like 5 of them across here. That's what all this sawdust chips are from. Hey, Buddy's helping me make the video today. This is my dog, Buddy. He loves the snow. So the tree fell over, and when it did, it made it noticeable on these fence posts. I consider a fence that is put up, that is put on from the other side, the neighbor's fence, right? That's what I think, you know. But it's on the borderline, right, of the property line. And when they put this fence in, you can see the little lines in here. Usually that means this is a treated post. Well, I don't know how long ago it was that they put these in there, but they're all rotten. Now this one here is still in the concrete and it's okay. This one here, it's getting there. See, it's starting to wobble. It's starting to give way. And these over here definitely rotted out. You can see that. You can see right in there. It's all rotted, just sitting on a concrete. So this fence blew almost completely over, just down to where these new posts are put. You know, it was leaning, and so the neighbors behind us, the people, the old gal that used to live there, she passed away. So the neighbor's kids got her stuff out of there and put the thing up for rent. So now there's the rental folks behind us. So I was up on the roof one day and I said, hey, let the owners know that the fence needs to be repaired. And of course they never did nothing about it. So one day, the wife came up to the door and said, hey, we're going to fix the fence. I said, well, great, you know, okay. But then they started saying, well, we need to be able to bring our tools over in your yard and all this other stuff and use our garden hose, you know. And I said, what's wrong with the water hose you have? You know, why, you know, it's the fences. I just didn't understand it. And so she had this pissed off look in her face, and then they went away. And then they came up again and said, well, okay, we're gonna do it, but we still need access to get in there. And I said, okay, whatever you need, you know, just fix the fence. And I made a suggestion. I said, we'll take out the sections that have the bad poles and just put new posts in, put the sections back up, just replace the post. So they took down a few boards, came in on this side and dug holes on this side of the fence and put up these posts, okay, in concrete to keep the fence, put the fence back up and keep it from blowing over. And I went, okay, that'll work, you know, as long as it doesn't blow over, you know. So today I looked it up online. What do you do if a neighbor's fence is creating issues and you let them, notify them, and they don't do nothing about it, right? And true, these are renters, but you know, the owners didn't do nothing. So either way, it says they can do something about it, or they don't have to. You could go to court if it's creating a safety issue, like this was leaning over, maybe one of the grandkids would have got hurt from it. You know, you could go to court over it, but That's a lot of hassle for all that. And they say, well, you could put up your own fence, you know, you could fix it. Well, it's not my fence. Oh, also they said you could just put another fence up. Okay, 2 fences next to each other? Take part of your property? I don't think so. So anyway, this will work. I guess if I have to, I guess I could get some more 4x4s and do the same thing. This fence is all twisted up and it's screwed up anyway, so it needs something done with it, that's for sure. But anyway, if you have a fence that's blown over and you need to get it back up so it doesn't completely come down, this is how you can do it. You just dig some holes, put some post, new 4x4 treated post in, put the fence back up where it needs to be, put some posts up against the fence to keep it up straight until these posts dry, and there you go. So if that helps you out, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a like and comments too. All right, thanks.